Hi, this is Ajay Anand and welcome to science classes from excelup.com. In this lesson, you will be learning about agriculture. You will learn about types of crops in India, and then you will learn about the preparation of soil. Crops. When plants of same kind are grown at one place on a large scale, then they are collectively called crops. For example, growing wheat on larger scale, then wheat is a crop. Agriculture. Science of farming is called agriculture. In fact, in India, most of the people, they are occupied in agriculture, and we can say that farming is the main source of livelihood for majority of people in India. Agriculture involves cultivation of plants and rearing of animals for getting food and other useful items. So, for example, while growing plants, we get food, then we also get timber, then we get fibers to make cloths. By rearing animals, we get eggs, meat, milk, then the gelatin from animal bones is utilized for making capsules. Bone charcoal is utilized for refining sugar. Types of crops. Types of crops can also be termed as types of cropping seasons. India is a vast country, so different states or different regions, they have their own cropping seasons. But for the whole country, the cropping season or crop type can be divided into two broad categories. One is called Kharif and another is called Rabi. Kharif crops, they are grown during rainy season or monsoon. Kharif crop is sown in the month of June and harvested in the month of September. The Kharif crops require high temperature and plenty of rainfall. Some examples of Kharif crops are paddy, maize, soybean, groundnut, coconut, cotton, etc. Rabi is called the winter crop. It is sown in the month of October and harvested in the month of March. Rabi crop requires mild temperature and moderate water. Some examples of Rabi crops are wheat, mustard, gram, pea, linseed, etc. Wheat is the main Rabi crop in India, and paddy or rice is the main Kharif crop in India. So, this is all about the crops. Now, let us move on to the preparation of soil. Loosening the soil is called preparation of soil. First of all, the farmer needs to loosen the soil to break huge lumps of soil into fine particles, so that farming can become easier. It has several advantages. Loosening the soil allows roots to penetrate deeper into the soil, and once roots can penetrate deeper, the root tips can breathe easily. Loosening the soil and turning over the soil also helps nutrients from humus in properly mixing with soil, and nutrients and minerals, they come to the top of the soil, so plants can get to optimally utilize those nutrients. Various tools are utilized for loosening the soil, and the process is called ploughing. Plough is the most traditional tool, and it has been in use since the days of the Indus Valley civilization. Plough is made up of wood. There is a plough shaft and there is a huge beam attached along with it, and at the end of the plough shaft there is a ploughshare that is made up of iron. So iron helps in easily breaking the soil. Once the farm is plowed, it needs to be leveled. The soil needs to be leveled. For this, the equipment which is used is called a hoe. Hoe can be made up of iron or it can be made up of wood. It's a very heavy item, and usually one or two people, they stand on the hoe once so that proper weight can be applied to level the soil. Both plow and hoe, they are traditionally driven by a pair of oxen or any other animal, but nowadays most of the farmers, they use tractors. Tractor helps in saving time and in saving labor. So that's all about this video. You learned about agriculture, you learned about the types of crops in India, and you learned about the preparation of soil. Thank you.